Hi everyone. Today we have new topic to discuss. 2020 Global Education Monitoring Report (GEM) report by UNESCO. Okay, so this is released by UNESCO. Uh, as a key point, it is said that COVID-19 had worsened the inequalities in education systems worldwide. Actually, in United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 4, it is said about education. Okay, so you must note that in Sustainable Development Goal number 4 is talking about education. Okay, and if in the case of India, India used a mix of all three systems. Three system means radio, TV, and online platform for educational continuity during the lockdown period. You may be knowing that during lockdown period, schools also remained closed. So at that time period, India used all three platforms like radio, TV, and online platform for the continuation of education. And in that report, some of the key points are the attendance percentage of students is 91 percentage were out of the school due to this closure of schools during lockdown due to COVID-19. And while many poor countries opted for radio and television lessons, there are some statistics like 55% of the low income countries, then 73% of the lower middle income, and 93% of the upper middle income countries adopted for online learning platform for the primary and secondary education. Here in the statistics you can see that upper middle income countries have adopted, about 93% of them are adopted for uh, online platforms. So there is a disparities in opting for online platforms based on their income level. So only in, if we are checking or if we are taking the details of low income countries, only 55% of them have opted for this online platforms. Here itself we can see the disparities. Okay, and if there are some challenges which is mentioned in the report, they are digital divide is the first one. In that it is said that not all the students and teachers have the access to adequate internet connection, equipments, skills and working conditions to take advantage of this available platform. Actually, most of the government are increasingly advocating for the use of technology, but the point is that, or the reality is that this availability of technology is not uniform all over the world. So there are students and there are teachers who are not able to or who do not have the access to proper technology. So that is the digital divide existing in the world. And in case of blind and deaf students, they will not be available the proper resources outside the school, because in these kind of children's when they are going school, they will be having proper facilities. Okay, but all of a sudden when they are changing from the school to home learning, it is not possible that all the facilities available at home will not be available in the home settings. So that is one problem or one challenge. And children with learning disabilities or those who are on the autism spectrum is also very difficult for them to manage before computer like online platform for learning. So they will be difficult for them, or this kind of children with learning disabilities will be having a problem in spending long duration before computer, because they will be having a problem for maintaining this attention for long time in the computer. Okay, before computer. Then it will also affect poor who depend on schools for free meals or even free sanitary napkins. This is very uh, important fact in case of India also. In many countries, lower income countries, students used to attend schools mainly only for meals and also for free sanitary napkins wherever it is available. So these also will be affected because no longer they will be available with the free meals. So that's also another challenge. Then cancellation of examination is also a challenge, because sometimes it will be depending on the stereotype of the teachers. Okay, so it will affect the marks scored by the students, because in this kind of situation, this is the judgment of the teachers is can vary depending upon the stereotype that they have. And for teachers who are proficient at planning and teaching in the traditional classroom, planning for an online setting requires some relearning. You may know that all the teachers may not be much fluent or much familiar with this online platform and online teaching. So who are very much or very good in what traditional classroom settings may not be able to perform well in this online platform. Okay, and parents will be very much worried about having the right hardware and setup at home. That is also another issue, because at that time when they have started this online platform for education, most of the parents were hurrying for getting tabs and phones in their home, because most of the people or parents will be taking the only phone available in the home to office or wherever they are working. So a single phone in the home will not be sufficient. They will have to buy another phone or tablet or computer for ensuring the education for their children. So it will be causing worry for their parents, because they will have to uh, get the proper right hardware and setup at home. That is also another problem. So all these are the challenges which are reported in the this report. So altogether they are saying that the world, all over the world, has been affected by this, education system has been affected by this COVID-19. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.